This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Gina Griffith. Stop the car. The beautifully landscaped yard and stone walkway is just a hint to what is inside and out back. Open floor plan when you enter with living room/dining area and kitchen with Viking propane stove. Beautiful wood floors are an extra. To the left, through the barn door, you will find a huge bath and laundry area. To the right is an enormous family room with vaulted ceilings and stone fireplace. The 3 bedrooms are spacious with master boasting a master bath and sliding doors to rear deck, which can also be accessed from the living/dining area. Step out to the fully equipped outdoor kitchen with great entertainment area and up to the above ground pool large enough for a large family and pool parties. Behind the pool is a double car, detached garage and enough land for a horse to graze or a big garden if you prefer. All in a great price range. Call today for your private viewing. Lot size is 110 feet frontage along Route 2 to Iron Stake in center of creek bed. For more information,